with you, where the sun never goes down, time will slow down. Would it be too crazy if we decided to stay forever? Decided to stay forever, forever. Jump into the fire. I'd like to see your wild side. We should run away, but the sun never goes down. Time has slowed down. Would it be too crazy if we decided to stay forever? Decided to stay forever, forever. Stay forever. Stay, stay. Stay forever. Stay, stay. Stay forever. Stay, stay. Stay forever.
The operation of production plants is water. The water has to be securely managed from its intake to its discharge. Plants is water. The water has to be securely managed from its intake to its discharge. Managing the use of water at production plants with state-of-the-art technologies and supporting industries around the world. Kurita Water Industries Limited. What is indispensable for the operation of production plants is water. The water has to be securely managed from its intake to its discharge. Managing the use of water at production plants with state-of-the-art technologies and supporting industries around the world. Kurita Water Industries Limited. Today, production plants around the world are choosing Kurita. ThyssenKrupp Steel Europe is one of the world's leading suppliers of high-grade flat steel. This steel is used in the manufacturing of most European cars. ThyssenKrupp Steel Europe chose Kurita's chemicals for treating their water.
Die Kollegen erarbeiten bei neuen Problemen, die immer wieder durch Umbau von Anlagen entstehen, an neuen innovativen Lösungen mit uns, um die Problematiken zu beherrschen. Und dort gibt es eine langjährige, gute Zusammenarbeit mit Kurita, die uns hilft, gute Ergebnisse zu erreichen.
A huge amount of water is needed to cool steel plates, which can reach surface temperatures of 1000 degrees Celsius. This requires high-efficiency cooling and recycling of used water.
Die Mitarbeiter der Firma Kurita sind eigentlich fachlich kompetent, sind sehr flexibel und auch wenn es Probleme gibt, sehr schnell zur Stelle.
Kurita props up water treatment at ThyssenKrupp Steel Europe, which supplies high-quality steel products to the automotive and other industries all over the world. Based in Shanghai, SMIC is the largest semiconductor manufacturer in China. SMIC provides integrated circuit IC foundry and technology services to meet the needs of miniaturization using the most advanced technology in the world. Indispensable to the manufacturing of nano-level semiconductors is high-quality, ultra-pure water for cleaning the microscopic products. Kurita has installed large-scale ultra-pure water production systems at the head office production plant of SMIC since 2013, achieving the advanced technical level required and winning high appraisal and trust. Kurita contributes to the high-quality, high-efficiency, and stable operation of one of the world's leading semiconductor plants by providing comprehensive water treatment systems, including wastewater treatment facilities and reclamation systems, in addition to ultra-pure water. The world's leading brands are currently choosing Kurita. So what is the reason behind this? Water treatment at production plants can be broadly divided into 3 stages of utility, processing, and wastewater treatment. Kurita is able to provide all kinds of technologies from the intake to discharging of water at production plants. Water treatment technologies at plants can also be divided into the 2 types used in facilities and chemicals. The matching of these 2 is critical. If they are incompatible, facilities can break down or stop, or the cost of treating chemicals could increase, imposing a heavy burden on companies. The one company that knows everything about this matching is Kurita. Although there are many other water treatment companies in the world, only Kurita has years of experience in both facilities and chemicals. Kurita is able to provide comprehensive solutions that make excellent use of technologies and know-how in both facilities and chemicals. There are other reasons why the world's leading brands choose Kurita. Ultra-pure water is the ultimate water in which impurities, such as minerals, have been removed to the limit of detection. Take an Olympic swimming pool, for example. If normal tap water were to be used to fill it, the pool would contain 300 liters of impurities, equivalent to 150 PET bottles. But if Kurita's ultra-pure water were to be used, it would only contain 1/10 of a drop of impurities. Kurita's technology for creating ultra-pure water of the highest standard in the world is used for manufacturing semiconductors and LCD panels, helping to improve quality and production efficiency. Scales that form inside boilers not only decrease thermal efficiency, but they also lower performance, causing facility failure, which has a major impact on productivity. Dream Polymer, the new multifunctional polymer that Kurita developed independently, is a groundbreaking water treatment chemical that is able to not only prevent the formation of scales, but also remove them. It will contribute to energy and water savings at production plants through its stable and steady effects. For plants, it is impossible to ensure an inexhaustible supply of water. Making effective use of the limited water is therefore critical. Kurita has achieved wastewater reclamation of almost 100% at LCD panel plants, and is also able to reclaim and reuse wastewater in other industries to the world's highest standards. A standardized wastewater reclamation system that optimally combines facilities, chemicals, and IT technologies. It has achieved stable operations and space savings. Kurita has accumulated water quality data and operation data over many years. The big data is used to automatically control the concentration and effect of water treatment chemicals. In addition to allowing measurement data and control results to be checked visually, a monitoring network allows this anywhere, anytime. This enables real-time remote monitoring from production plants, offices, and headquarters. At the same time, Kurita is able to analyze the data by sharing the information. These sensing capabilities bring many unprecedented benefits, such as faster on-site response, reduced maintenance work, and reduced water treatment costs. As the company continues to evolve, Kurita places the greatest value on research and development. Kurita conducts research and development around the world. Kurita Global Technology Center has
Way too many feels, way too much emotion. I don't even know what's real. I just say fuck it, keep on going. I get deeper. Yeah, I feel I'm rolling. I can see you, yeah, I see you. I don't know, I think I'm rolling. Yeah, it's way too many feels, way too much emotion. I don't even know what's real. I just say fuck it, keep on going. I get deeper. Yeah, I think I'm rolling. I can see you, yeah, I see you. I don't know, I just keep going. I got way too many feels, way too much emotion. Got a sense in my body. I'm so fuck it, keep on rolling. You can bring it, just I met you. Yeah, you mix it all a potion. I don't know who you are, but I dive into your ocean. Yeah, you say you're smoking grams, I'm smoking into the Grammys.
طيب خلاص نبدأ. السلام عليكم. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Akram Al-Derby, and I'll be your host for today's event. And before we start our program, may I ask everyone to please stand up to hear an opening for the Saudi national anthem. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. And now we'll be hearing verses from Quran al-Kareem to launch this event for today.
ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب.
And now, with Mr. Ali Al-Saffar from the safety induction, will give you guidelines for the safety for today. Please welcome Mr. Ali Al-Saffar.
Dear guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ali Al-Saffar,
I'm the Environmental Health and Safety Supervisor of Kurita, AquaChemie, Saudi Arabia, as well as I'm the Emergency Response Team Leader for the opening ceremony. First of all, I want to thank you all for being here and being part of our opening ceremony, and I would like to give you a small safety brief. The Radisson Hotel today does not have any planned emergency drill, so if you hear the alarm, please consider it as a real emergency, and do not panic, and then evacuate to the nearest emergency exit through the lobby to the parking area, which is our main assembly point. Again, welcome, and thank you, and wish you a joyful event. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ali. All right. We'll start our today with a small story that it's a personal story that I'll be sharing with you. It's called A Small Pillow and an Admission Letter. A small pillow and a carpet laying down on the floor of a humble apartment of our home. Full focusing and watching Hollywood movies, thinking that I'll be the next Denzel Washington one day and I'll be living abroad. The dream carried all the way, fascinated by the Industrial Revolution of the West culture and the glory of the culture, even to the small detail and the urban fabric of the Industrial Revolution over there. And I thought my ambition had no ground here. That's why I skipped all the open doors and all the chances for just one day that I'll be living abroad and make my dreams come true. But I left one door open as a plan B for myself and applied at King Fahd University as just a plan B if things did not work very well. Later come the admission letter. Now I have no excuse that I should not escape. And I studied architecture, and maybe since the field has a very critical eye for us, that we notice the small details. And this had me thinking that this country is going top mountain, and soon it will be exactly where I dream to be. So, I'm still here in Saudi Arabia, and I'm witnessing the glory of this country and the Industrial Revolution and what we are living today. So, it was just only one pillow and one admission letter and one seed of a vision and one step more of people of ambition. We witness now the glory of this country with the great revolution in the industry and all sectors. So finally, I'm grateful that the admission letter that came to me one day, and I miss my bill. I will start with saying هي أكبر بكثير من التي عرفها أجدادكم. هي مقولة للملك عبد العزيز. It's a saying for King Abdul Aziz. He says, I will make out of you a great people, and I'll let you live in a luxury far greater than the one with your ancestors. Once upon a time, this was our life. This was our life, and this was us. With nobility and originality, we lived. With pride, our history we wrote. We did not stay silent. And we decided to change. And yet, we did not get enough. we did not stay silent, so we decided to change. We took a step and we worked forward. Then we worked hard till we developed. And yes, we are growing up to finally become one picture we are all in. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are presenting a message that we will share a video all the way from Japan, from President Kadota, the president and representative at Kurita Water Industries in Japan, and let's share with the video.
本日はご多様にもかかわらず、クリタアクアケミーサウジアラビアプラントグランドオープニングセレモニーにご列席いただき誠にありがとうございます。クリタ工業株式会社代表取締役社長の門田道也でございます。本日ここにクリタアクアケミーサウジアラビア社における水処理薬品製造工場の開所式が無事に執り行われたのも、ひとえにご列席の皆様、日頃からのご支援、ご協力をいただいております関係各所の皆様のご尽力の賜物と心から御礼申し上げます。今回は日本における新型コロナウイルス感染拡大により本開所式への出席を控えることになり、このような形で祝辞を述べさせていただきます。クリタグループはサウジアラビアにおいてクリタヨーロッパ社を中心に10年以上にわたり水処理薬品事業を展開しており、2021年4月にはここダンマーム第2工業団地内にクリタアクアケミーサウジアラビア社を設立いたしました。この度開所いたしました水処理薬品製造工場は年間で約6万トンの水処理薬品を製造する規模を誇り、2200トンの水処理薬品を保管できる倉庫も併設しております。この度新たに開所した同社の水処理薬品の製造機能と販売ネットワークにクリタグループが長年培ってきた水処理に関する技術、ノウハウを相乗し、サウジアラビアをはじめとした GCC 諸国における社会やお客様の課題を解決する独創的なソリューションを提供してまいります。そしてお客様や地域の皆様から確固たる信頼を獲得し、持続可能な社会の実現に欠かせない企業グループになることを目指してまいります。本日の開所式を一つの節目といたしまして、クリタグループ従業員一同皆様のご期待に応え、サウジビジョン2030の実現に貢献できるよう一層の努力を重ねてまいります。今後ともご指導賜りますようお願い申し上げます。最後になりましたが、サウジアラビアクリタアクアケミーサウジアラビア社、そして本日ご列席いただいた皆様方の輝かしい未来を記念いたしまして、私からの挨拶とさせていただきます。本日は誠にありがとうございます。
We are very lucky, for we are chosen to be here and be part of this moment. You see it grow up, you see it smiles to the world, a country of a good heart with ambitions. Sharing these moments, major keynote speakers on the stage. Let me introduce Mr. Mark Demer, the CEO of Kurita AquaChemie. He has a bachelor's degree, an undergraduate in chemical engineering, has an experience of more than 25 years in water treatment industry. Developed several roles in the industry. Now appointed as the CEO for Kurita AquaChemie as of January 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the stage Mr. Mark Demir. From the other side,
Make this a little bit higher. Thank you. Yeah, good morning. Welcome all. I have to say that I'm very happy and excited to see so many people taking the effort to travel to Dammam today and be present in this joint celebration of the historical step of Kurita AquaChemie Saudi Arabia. And that makes me feel very proud. Of course, today it's not only about celebration, but it's also about sharing. Many people will meet each other today and talk with each other, and hopefully they will talk to each other about the good things that Kurita AquaChemie is doing for their site. This, if you allow me, will give me the opportunity to shortly introduce our sales management team, which is also present in the room here. First of all, I would like to meet you, Mr. Mutu. Mutu is in the back of the stage there. Mr. Lester is next to him. Yeah. Our business director, Mr. Hadi. Most people will know him, I guess. Thank you, Hadi. And finally, our country manager, Santosh, is over there. So if you would like to share some of your thoughts or questions, you can direct them to them. But of course, our valuable team is also present in the room, so the valuable team of Kurita AquaChemie. So if you run into them, you can ask them any question that you would like to have. Yeah, I will keep it short. There are many keynote speakers which will have a very important message to you guys. I appreciate you being here, and I would like to thank you for your presence. And hopefully I will be able to talk to you in the next few hours personally for everybody. Thank you very much.
And now, with Mr. Jordi Verdes, the CEO and president of Kurita EMEA Group, a 30 years of experience in water treatment industry, playing different roles in the industry from a service engineer for refinery and petrochemical sector to the current role. Mr. Verdes has worked in many international roles, including the development of activities in China and US. Mr. Verdes joined Kurita through the acquisition in 2015 and has been nominated the first non-Japanese CEO of Kurita in Europe. Mr. Verdes has been leading the project of creation of Kurita AquaChemie, together with their partner. Mr. Verdes will present the vision of Kurita for development in Saudi Arabia. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Mr. Verdes to the stage.
So thank you very much. First of all, welcome to Kurita AquaChemie Saudi Arabia. I'm very glad to meet at our headquarters in the kingdom. For us, the biggest site for Kurita in Middle East. In this site, we have our production, our administration, and our customer service facilities to ensure an excellent assistance to our local partners. Saudi Arabia is a strategic country for Kurita. We are enlarging our presence locally to deliver ultimate technologies and services to our customers and to the whole Saudi society. We are convinced we can contribute to improve the environmental footprint with solutions to reduce water consumption, CO2 emission, and waste generation. As the Saudi Green Initiative declares, with the right mix of ambition, expertise, and innovation, anything is possible. Kurita wants to be a key player on this initiative because we have the ambition to be the preferred partner for Saudi's industries. And therefore, we decided to invest and enlarge our presence in the country in the middle of a global crisis caused by the pandemic. Because Kurita has the expertise, based on more than 70 years of knowledge, developing solutions in hundreds of countries and process treatment company. It is for this reason that we focus all our efforts on this market, and we can realize the excellence in this field. Because Kurita has the innovations to answer the needs of the environmental challenges. We develop technologies like it reduces as well between 5 to 20% the energy and therefore the CO2 emissions. We have technologies like Avista for the best performance of any membrane-based systems. Innovation is in the DNA of the company, with 3 global R&D centers in Japan, Singapore, and Germany. And why not in the near future as well in Saudi Arabia? Every day, we are getting the confidence of more companies in the country to support them going through this journey. Thanks for the trust. We are sure these new contracts are just the beginning of a very long partnership. But all this can only be realized with the right team. It is for this reason that we are starting cooperation programs with local institutions to work together to develop the talent. We want to establish long-term programs to train, develop, and grow the local talent, because Kurita is convinced that a local and diverse talent is the right formula to understand the needs of the country and to bring the best for our customers and for the society. When I see the very ambitious targets of Saudi Arabia with the 2030 vision, I am convinced that more and more the leadership of the country will be consolidated with the diversification of its industries, the increase of tourism and medium-sized enterprise, by strengthening of the education, all these thanks to the support of world leaders like Aramco. We are very glad to cooperate with the people of the country in achieving the essential targets of Saudi Green Initiative and its 2030 vision. As a president of Kurita EMEA Group, and together with our partner AquaChemie, we commit to keep investing and supporting the development of our local team in the future. Thank you very much for your presence at this event. Thank you very much.
And now, a very important character of ours here, who has been in banking industry for more than 30 years, including managerial position and its European subsidiaries. In 2020, he acted as the Deputy General Manager of Kurita Water Industries Limited in Japan. Finally, in 2021, the Finance and Corporate Planning Director of Kurita EMEA Group. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the stage Mr. Kiyoshi Kozohara.
Good morning, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. So it is my great pleasure to be here today to celebrate the opening ceremony of Kurita AquaChemie, Saudi Arabia. I also like to thank all of you for attending this ceremony today, in spite of your very busy schedules. My name is Kuzuhara, so I'm seconded from Kurita. I would like to express my the deepest gratitude to all of our valued clients, business partners, as well as the staff members of our company for the continuous support and cooperation, which has enabled us to successfully carry out our business until today. As you are well aware, the Kingdom and Japan has a long history of good diplomatic relations, as well as close trade relations for both imports and exports each other. So also Kurita Group has been developing its water treatment and process chemicals business in the kingdom for more than 10 years. And now, our long-cherished wish has come true with the establishment of manufacturing plant with laboratory functions through a joint venture, the investment with AquaChemie. Here, so I would like to briefly touch upon about our corporate philosophy of the Kurita Group, which is study the properties of water, master them, and will create an environment in which nature and man are in harmony. In order to realize this philosophy and our dream, we always believe that it is so vital to not only expand our business just globally, but also to conduct our business from the more local perspective or localized way to go or to be truly global. The establishment of the production base and laboratory in the kingdom is an extremely important milestone for this purpose, and we will continue to aim to realize our corporate philosophy, as I mentioned earlier, by providing higher quality of products and services to meet the needs of our valued clients in the kingdom through closer contact and communication with our clients. We sincerely hope and believe that our technology and products will make a significant contribution to the Saudi Green Initiative, which is in turn will support to the great success of the Saudi Vision 2030. So Kurita AquaChemie Saudi Arabia has just been born, but we will continue to invest in it so that it will last long years to come and serve you as a sustainable and so a region-committed company. Last but not least, so I'd like to express my sincere wishes for the health and happiness of those here today. Thank you very much for your kind attention. ありがとうございます。Shukran.
And now, a character who had his bachelor degree in mechanical engineering from KFUPM and master degree in mechanical engineer from University of Portland in 1998. Joined Saudi Aramco in 1994 as an engineer in Berry Gas Plant Engineering Division. He has completed a number of leadership programs in joining the company, including the Aramco. He was acting as a chief engineer on numerous occasions and manager of consulting services. He served on the board of director for Power Congregation Plant Company, Inspection Technology and Quality Assurance National Institute, and Saudi Council of Engineers. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the General Manager of Procurement, Mr. Salam Al-Haraish.
طيب بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم. Good morning everyone. Thank you for very inspiring story. I like your story in the beginning. I think I really enjoyed it. So on behalf of my team from Saudi Aramco, also the industrial sectors, we have our team from Sabiq, Sadara and other companies. I'm really delighted to be with you today and to deliver the speech on behalf of all the industrial community here in Saudi Arabia. So I am delighted to be with you today to celebrate the inauguration of Kurita AquaChemie Water and Process Treatment Specialty Chemical Manufacturing Facility. This project came to life when Kurita AquaChemie saw the strategic value and ideal location of the Eastern Province in Saudi Arabia as a regional hub for their plant. We recognize Kurita for their ambitious initiatives of establishing this JV, which is very important to support our business, and delivering in their plans by overcoming numerous occasions and challenges that we have seen over the past period. Not to mention too many of these challenges, some of them are the COVID-19 and the current challenges and then the market, be it in the prices, escalation, a lot of challenges, but yet Kurita really managed to bring this together at the right time. So Saudi Aramco estimated demand more than 6.5 billion over the coming 5 years in the chemical sector alone, which had been showed in several business opportunities, workshops, and sessions during the recent Activa forum that we have conducted earlier this year in January 2022, targeting the localization of chemical materials and services. We in Saudi Aramco admire Kurita AquaChemie efforts in localizing the critical products in our supply, which is on board with the Aramco Activa program and Saudi Aramco Vision 2030. With the capacity to produce up to 60,000 metric ton per year, specialty chemicals, Kurita AquaChemie plant will serve the downstream energy sectors for the customers not only in Saudi Aramco, but many other countries in the GCC. And I think we need to work together to approve your products as soon as possible so that we can start utilizing these. At the same time, I think we need to work together not to be covering the GCC countries, but also the MENA region, hopefully in the years to come. In addition, the patent and innovation technologies of Kurita will help industry in the kingdom to reduce the CO2 emission and to improve the water recycling. I think the two gentlemen before me, they started by Saudi Aramco in year 2050. Today, again, is a truly remarkable moment and significant validation of the ambitious targets set by Aramco Activa program in diversifying local economy and supply chain and creating quality jobs for Saudi citizens. I am proud to say that this facility checks all the boxes. I am looking forward to this facility's success, and I am sure it will inspire many more to follow in this industry. At the end, I would like to thank you all and congratulate you for this really to bring it at the right time. Thank you all, and I wish you all the best.
Today we'll be presenting Mr. Mohammed Al-Mhatrish, the Chemical Segment Director from the Ministry of Investment. 24 years with Saudi Aramco. He built 2 plants with Sadat. That's here. Okay. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, the Minister, Deputy Chief of Mission, Embassy of Japan in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. He has a bachelor degree in agrobiology. In 1994, entered the service at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan. He has been in many countries, and since 2019, please welcome Mr. Hirofumi Miyake.
Well, thank you for introducing me. My name is Hirofumi Miyake, Deputy Chief of Mission, Embassy of Japan. Mr. Salem Al-Huraish, General Manager of Saudi Aramco Procurement. Mr. Jordi Verdes, CEO and President, Kurita EMEA Group. Distinguished guests from Ministry of Investment, SABIC, and others. It's my heartfelt congratulations on the opening ceremony of this Kurita AquaChemie plant, a new manufacturing plant site for water treatment chemicals in the kingdom. Well, during the recent years, the bilateral relationship between Japan and Saudi Arabia which are centered on the traditional fields, has been into a trajectory of extended fields of cooperation, specifically after the launching of Saudi-Japan Vision 2030, when King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud made an honorable visit to Japan in 2017, this bilateral framework, and now the number has more than doubled, exceeding 80. And among the emerging fields of cooperation, water is the sector that have significant potentiality. 2 billion cubic meters to 24.6 cubic meters between 2011 and 2015, and the average growth of water is 7%, and the demand for water in the kingdom will continue to increase due to urbanization, industrial development, and large-scale afforestation under the Saudi Green Initiative. Japan has an excellent technology related to water treatment. So I'm proud to see the establishment of this Kurita AquaChemie new plant using an advanced Japanese technology that contributes to decarbonization, water savings, and energy reduction. There's an old saying in East Asia, "He who governs the waters governs the nation." Without the development of water-related infrastructure, people's lives will not improve, industry will not develop. I believe the products of Kurita AquaChemie will also contribute to achieving the national goals of Saudi Vision 2030. So the embassy will even more its operations in the kingdom. Lastly, and once again, I'd like to express my respect to those who made a great effort, happiness of all the attendants here. Thank you for your attention. Shukran.
And now with the director of Kurita AquaChemie Limited and founding partner of He has found AquaChemie in 2008, and along with his partner, he drives the sales strategy and business vision of AquaChemie. To his credit, and plan to seize any growth opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Mr. Anand Kumar.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to welcome you all here at the grand opening of Kurita AquaChemie plant. It's been another landmark year for Kurita AquaChemie with opening of our new plant. It's a great honor, and at the same time, it's a great responsibility to lead the plant and the team as the director of Kurita AquaChemie. Before I start my small speech, would like to recognize Mr. Badr Al-Katani, who was a senior manager at SABIC in 2017. That was the first time we were taking Kurita solutions to the kingdom, and SABIC was the first customer for us to go and meet because that's where the big potential was there. His words were, first you set up the manufacturing plant in the kingdom, and then come to us for the business. Without a manufacturing plant in the kingdom, please do not come to us. So the message was very, very clear to us from the day one. And we took his advice very seriously and decided to set up the plant in Dammam industrial area. And so today what you see is the reality of Mr. Badr's clear advice to us and our commitment to the kingdom and the SABIC's localization advice. This makes us very proud today in giving world-class technology, new chemistry, meaningful services to all our customers in the kingdom. So we miss you, sir, here, Mr. Badr. We are happy to share with you all that we already bagged 6, and all our customers are delighted with our solution and services. Now we are patiently waiting for SABIC businesses at the earliest. We kept our commitment and the promise. We are waiting for SABIC contract to provide solution to all SABIC affiliates. Today, Kurita AquaChemie is here in the kingdom with an innovative and a differentiating and superior technology compared to our competition and patented molecules which can help our customers for better operational efficiency and provide utmost reliability for their assets in the operations. So we are here to save for our customers. What that means to our customers: water savings, energy savings, and cost savings by reduced and usage of optimal chemical usages. We are not here to sell chemicals. We are here to provide and sell solutions to our customers. We strongly believe chemicals are not the solution for all the problems. Many occasions, applying the best practices and the right operation techniques, which we learn from worldwide and which is being shared by Kurita all over the world to all our site engineers, can solve many inherent problems without a need for chemicals. Challenges. Where there is a challenge, there's an opportunity for us. So give us an opportunity, and we will show you the value, what you get from Kurita AquaChemie Solutions. For their trust in the kingdom's initiatives and being part of this key investment decision, which is a very vital for our success today in the kingdom. Last but not the least, I want to thank all my Kurita AquaChemie colleagues who are the carrier, very important here, who are the carrier of Kurita technology and the solution to our customers. Without their sincerity, hard work, and the passion to help our customers, we won't be standing this proud today. Thank you, guys. I salute them with whatever they are doing for our customers and Kurita AquaChemie. Before I come to an end, would like to share the good and the sweet news, which we just got a week back. Sadara awarded us the contract for the utility business for the entire complex. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen, being here and, and this success could clearly spell the value what has been placed through our, commitment through the proposals. But now it's a time for us to show whatever we committed, whatever we promised, and we want to show them in reality. Certainly, we will do it. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, and now, I personally see him a very positive character who has spread his enjoyment and his positive vibes in this space, especially me, and his interaction is very well known with all the employees here at this company. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the Business Director in KSA of Kurita AquaChemie, Mr. Hadi Dosri.
Thank you very much, Akram. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum jami'an. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Hadi Al-Dosri. I have graduated from KFPM in industrial chemistry. My total experience is 22 years in petrochemicals, oil and gas, and refining. I worked for Saudi Aramco 10 years. I was unit head in Restaurant Refinery. Then I joined SABIC as a senior manager. After that, I joined Tasni as GM in technical organization. Ladies and gentlemen, your attendance today is our success in this event. And I would like to express my deep appreciation for our partners in the localization plan: Saudi Aramco, Activa, SABIC, and the Ministry of the Investment, and all other factors also. I would like to express my deep appreciation to Saudi Aramco, Activa Business Development and Localization, represented by Mr. Salim Al-Hreish and his team, to establish Kurita AquaChemie Saudi Arabia. I would like to take this opportunity and welcome Mr. Salim and his team to the stage for the recognition. Also, don't forget the visible efforts from SABIC local contents. We have been worked since 2021 with SABIC localization Musanid, represented by Mr. Abdullah Al-Arifi. And would like to welcome Mr. Abdullah Al-Arifi to the stage with his organization. You are most welcome. We'd like to also recognize and appreciate the keynote speaker. Sorry, today we missed the MISA representative today for some reason. And inshallah in the future and the next opportunity, we may have MISA. But by the way, in the last March 1st, ourselves as a Kurita AquaChemie, we went to the MISA headquarters, and they did amazing special sessions there, announcing the MISA services to attract the investors in Saudi Arabia. But inshallah, next opportunity we'll have such a session. And حياك الله معليش حياك الله بس معليش احنا ويا الاستاذ محمد ما ادري وينه عبد الله الامسي اي محمد وينه ما جاء اليوم لا الخطاب اللي جاء عبد الله الامسي وانور بس محمد حصل خير خطأ مطبعي يعطيك العافية. Just would like to welcome the MISA for the great services that they presented to the investors. Thank you very much. And also next would like to appreciate the keynote speaker today, Mr. Hiro Fami, for his great presentation and the valuable statement that you mentioned. Yeah. Next, we don't forget the support and the help and the nice event today by the hotel. Mr. Tariq did a great job helping us to make the event successful. You'll see the food today. The major player in this success today, inshallah, you will see it in our, inshallah, tour. The Clifford Event Company, we work with them since 3 months. And they are one of the best company who organizing such event. Would like to welcome them in the stage, represented by Mr. Khalid Al-Qahtani and his team. You are most welcome. وين المخرج حقنا؟ خليه يجيبها.
Everybody look at here. Okay. Okay, ready? The kids should be on the front. Kids, you got the front kids. One more. Then let's turn. Okay, ready? Everybody look here. One more. Thank you very much.
Okay, also would like to appreciate one of our partner in our success. We approached one of the visible company to, as a consultant, to prepare the active requirements. Would like to welcome them to the stage to appreciate them for the great effort with Saudi Aramco. والله شكل الربع ما جاءوا اليوم كلهم. Thank you very much. I'll give the mic for you, Mr. Akram, to continue our events to the plant, inshallah. حياك الله.
Thank you very much, Abu Muhammad. All right. From the morning, we've been with the theoretical part of our event. And now we're going to go to the practical part. We're going to go to visit the plant, to the site. Before we leave, let me just give you like a quick guidance that what we're going to do exactly. First of all, Group A, if you have on your card, letter A, Group A, will leave to the bus, then we'll take you all the way to the plant for the ribbon cutting. A live video will be shown here on the screens, and also we'll be explaining what will happen exactly over there. So please, from Group A, only Group A, please, we will proceed to the main gate. The bus will be waiting you over there. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here today. And we really enjoyed the event for today. Thank you very much. We'll leave you now on the site. For Group B, we will stay here. We'll have some refreshments, some break, and then we will see the live video. Group A will leave now to the bus. Only Group A will leave to the bus. For Group B, yes, for Group B, please sit down, have a seat. For Group A only, we will leave to the bus, to the side. For Group B, have a seat. There will be a live show over here, and also you can enjoy a break with the freshmen. Thank you.
with you, where the sun never goes down and time has slowed down. Would it be too crazy if we decided to stay forever? Decided to stay forever, forever.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong. When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world. Well, that's not what I was told. Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
Just go to the other side, you can see this one. The other side. Yeah, okay, no problem. Because yeah, there's a welcome here, so. Yeah, he is. Yeah, yeah. Friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we are announcing the launching of Kurita AquaChemie. Let's hear one applause to the gentleman. Now we are launching the Kurita AquaChemie.
Okay, just look at this first. Okay, good. Cut.
Like, guys, we'll take another picture, but with the mask.
For another picture.
We'll do it in this one.
Sorry, yes. Yeah. Just camera live. This is live. Sorry. It's okay, sir. It's okay. I'll put you back on the Photoshop. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, everybody. Okay, everybody, look at here. Everybody, please. One more. Sir, can you just move the one there? Can you move forward? Okay, that's it. Okay, ready? Okay. Can you give me everybody thumbs up, please? Okay, that's it. Ready? Perfect. Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Now I'll leave the floor with Mr. Mazen, who will take you a tour on the factory.
يلا يلا يا ضياء ضياء
ارفع صوتك ونسمع.
Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. I would like to thank everyone for visiting our facility, Kurita AquaChemie, Saudi Arabia manufacturer. And this is Mazen Baraja, I'm plant manager. Today I would like to get inside the plant. Get inside the plant to have idea about the plant capability and also understand our operation. Today we don't have any operation or protection or material transfer, so we can coincide without any protection or release. We would like, to inform there is no alarm system with this. So in case you hear any alarm running system, we will proceed to the gate. Then our safety will guide us for more direction. We'll go inside the plant by using the carpet direction, and we will have, if anyone have a question, so please, you can feel free to ask. Yes. ابغى بس بما اننا نحن متجهين للامام المستودع هذه هي منطقه المستودع تقريبا 2200 متر طن. We are receiving all the material overseas or from local by loading and flooding from the two people from that side. So all the storage plan in the rack system, as you can see, in the different packages. So starting from jerrycan, IBC controls, and this we have the capability to do loading, flooding in hydrocarbons. Maybe that you can see in the last final project. Yeah, this is what was the one here from Saudi. So all the storage in the warehouse has the storage plan. So every rack we have an address specific to our facilities. Storage plan with capabilities of each product, either raw materials or this was about. And we are in progress increasing up to 70%.
هذا حتى في الماتيريال
Now we are directed to the production area, and this is the production facility zone. Here all the reactors and the blender filling system. Like just put on the phone, please. I would like to introduce, we are very proud to introduce our products, the Kurita AquaChemie products with patents. You can see we are keeping, as Kurita very known that they are spending a lot in their budget for R&D center. And we brought many patents product to the local market. We have many applications like acetylene, one of the most applications that used with end user clients in heavy industry, which is related to the boiler treatment application. We have also ammonium chloride free technology for refinery application. NSF certified for anti-scalant, biocide, for RO, and cooling tower as well. In the back also we are holding all our equipment. That equipment we are keeping in the platform structure. So we have like 2,000 liter blender reactor, 8 metric ton, 16, 12. And also another one for cubic meter for reaction and vacuum system. All the equipment here is stainless steel high standard, and all the electrical components are exclusion proof. So we are able to handle flammable and non-flammable products. All the utilities as well for supporting the blending in case the reaction is exothermic or endothermic. And the other, this is also quite heating and cooling, so we are keeping steam boiler, thermal oil boiler, cooling tower. The RO water unit as well, which is required low TDS. All this water supply is through wooden, provided through wooden. So this also one of the major components in the equipment to do the transfer from the blender to road tanker or bulk storage tank in the other side. So we have flexibility to transfer all the products from the bulk to the blenders, from blenders to the also storage tank and the road tanker. So it depends on the customer requirements, packaging requirements. So we have exactly fulfilled their, we are meeting their requirement in their site as well. So please, if there are any questions.
Just would like to express my deep appreciation for the person who is behind this design, and Ms. Abir. She brought this design with this initiative and idea. I'd like to welcome you. Hi, Abir. And by the way, Abir, she's the major player in the success of this event. And she's behind all the initiative and the idea that we have here. I'd like to appreciate her. And by the way, she's the HR and the public relations manager in our company. Thank you very much.
After explaining the capability, I would like also to highlight that we are new in the country, but again, the management and the operation, international support, the local existing very heavily. So we are maybe different than other competitors by local understanding how to manufacture all the products which needed for Saudi markets. So that is really required, our client also to support us and increase our also manufacture volume to be able to supply to the local market. So we will go inside also to the warehouse. So in this area, we are keeping all our flammable products in isolation segregation. We will go to this side on the top direction. In this plant itself. Yeah.
For the existing customers. What is one good thing about what you did is you have had a will convince the Japan management to get all even the patented products we made here. And even the, so that makes
Which
much
is not
more.
easy, huh?
Exactly.
Yeah. So who are your customers other than Aramco, Sadara?
System, Farabi, Samrat, Asraf.
So all our cables, huh?
Your support.
I know your projects come out in the are approved already, but I think the team has to approve also. So once, after we celebrate, I think we can get the process. So we'll work with you this.
Certainly, the products come in which can make a lot of value for the gas plants. They do have challenges on the boiler working, but there are areas where we really feel we can improve on. I saw your profile very
all the gas.
You know the challenge.
And they know the boilers, as you mentioned.
They are very critical. Yeah. Thank you.
We'd like also to share, since it's known that globally there are some issues with the supply chain for our company, we want to also so this situation is not the single one. We have another external warehouse in the MAM to keep the inventory for the ISO tanks, either raw material or finished product. So we are understanding very well, the critical, what is going on in the global side. So even Kurita and AquaChemie, they are always keep open budget for such emergency in case of plastic supply from source. And apart from that, the global agreement for raw material, this is also helping the company to have a sustainable supply from raw material that either in Asia or in the USA. Yeah, if there is any question.
Okay, thank you very much all. I'd like to welcome you to the bus again. Thank you. ما قصرت شكرا ما ان شاء الله.
Can you just ask me that? Huh? Will it be problem? Yeah, yeah. Okay, everybody, okay. Okay, ready? Ready. Everybody, look at here. Okay, one more. Just a second, huh? Okay, ready? One more. Can you give me a thumbs up, everyone? Come on, please. Please. If you can just give me a wave, just a wave, just a wave. Ready?
One. طيب. Ladies and gentlemen, please from batch A to proceed to the other lobby. Batch A, please, going to the restaurant. For batch B, I guess we're going to proceed to the bus. Thank you. Again, I repeat, please from batch A, class A, to go to the other lobby, to the restaurant from batch A. Yes. Yes, to the other lobby. I'm sorry.
Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Hi everyone. Come just come a little bit. Be on the shape. Welcome everyone. Thanks for coming and visiting our facility, Kurita AquaChemie Solid Manufacture in the box in Mississippi. This is my plant manager. We would like today to have a plant tour to understand the facility, operation, and business. Here we currently run maintenance, so we have run these with the mediators, and our safety team will give us some direction. Today is no operation or production, so we can't proceed inside the plant without fees. We will use these carpets, we will cement on the side, and again we will be back and we will see. This is the area we are keeping our finished products and raw material in the shelf system. Every shelf is addressed by the number that connected to our SAP system. So all our products which are manufactured by the plant, by the local, we're keeping in that shelf ready for the customer deliveries. The plant size is about 1,000 square meter. Our capacity is about 60,000 metric ton. As you can see, maybe you can recognize some raw material which from the local. We are giving at this moment about 50% of supply from the local markets. And we are in process to improve and increase the local content and develop some supply and manufacture to increase up to 70% every season. Still around the warehouse, we go to the application zone. All the product in the shelf, as you can see, it is manufactured in this facility. There are different, up to 50 products with different application. If you'd like this to come, please. Today we are proud to transfer many patents from Kurita globally to the Saudi market and to this plant specifically. Kurita today, they are spending a lot in R&Ds to develop the products, has been explained in the hotel. And we try corrosion inhibitors, anti-scale for cooling tower, and ammonium chloride free technology for refineries, and also NSF treating products in the heavy industry. And the client feedback is very positive, which make added value to their cost and as well, more safe operation in their site. We are keeping in this platform 4KL, 16KL, 8KL, 12, and as well 4KL reaction vacuum operation. So all this facility, I mean equipment, is capable to handle exothermic, endothermic by using the cooling and heat. So all the waste, chemical waste being, which is generated from the chemical blending and reaction is taken care by the approved vendor to the right disposal company. Also, we are using our system, so all the products, which is water-based. To the right side, we have a manifold. This is, we have a full flexibility, to do the transfer from the blenders to the storage tank, and from the storage tank to the road tanker. So we are able to fill the different packaging from jerry can, drums, IBC, and ISO tank or road tanker as per the customer proof grade. So we can handle the flammable products, either solvent or water-based. In this also site, we are keeping all the raw material and finished product that classified as a flammable. Is also connected to the trench, to the hazardous septic tank. So if there is any question, please. Okay. So we will move back to the warehouse again, and we will go to the. As per our policy for procurement, we are keeping always 3 to 4 months inventory stock for raw materials. For the awarded the contract with our clients, we make sure that minimum inventory is 4 months, and we are also external warehouse in the demand for ISO tank and bulk storage. The other side. We have a steam boiler, thermal oil boiler, and we have also cooling system.
Hello. أنا الحين في المصنع يا رجعين. ايوه لا اقول تحت. بعض الأنظمة ممكن مش عارف نسوي الصوص نظمه يعطينا قوه. لو احنا بدينا من الصفر نوجه مصاعد ما يعطونا الباب الاستجداد ابستين في ابلكيشن اسمه موبايل.
Of course, we tested already.
Like said, raw material used for products, we are using fresh product. And once we have the PO with the delivery, we deliver it to their side. There's no service, for example, if the customer don't have warehouse or he has a limited storage. There is no service.
To have fresh product with minimum storage. So we are also that our lead time is like 3 to 4 days.
For your delivery, do you have any contingencies? You have own delivery, local logistics, local or third party? They're using third party. We have bulk. Most of our delivery is bulk. Road tanker or storage. Sorry,
هلا باشمهندس والله بخير، شو اخبارك؟ المفروض دعيناكم اليوم على الافتتاح. والله المفروض زي كذا.
Thank you everyone for visiting us again, and feel free to contact us anytime. The email will be closed, and we are looking to see you again. Get also a chance to work together.
طيب ايش رايك اكلمك بس؟